day 7, June 7th. Philip and I are camping here at the Theodore Roosevelt Campground, National Park, and there's buffalo in this park. Yesterday we drove around, we finally spotted a few off in the distance, so we got some video of them. This one's right here next to our campsite. Last night I could see the hoof prints all around here where they walk around here and stuff, so we so Phil wakes up this morning and says, hey, stick your head out here. There's a buffalo out here mowing the grass for us. So here's our buffalo we looked all over for yesterday. This is too cool. We're hoping to make it into Canada today. Talk to y'all later. Canadian border, super windy and a little rain bed, so just batten down the hatches. We're gonna go for broke. Alright, we made it to Saskatchewan, Canada. We just crossed the border and we are now in Canada. And it is 11:52 Canada time, 12:52 Indiana time. So anyway, successful to Canada. And now we're going to go up here and try to figure out where to get some cash, change over to Canadian cash, just so we'll have some, and maybe look at, figure out where campgrounds or whatever's at, or how much further we can ride. It's been raining, storming, not storming, but raining pretty hard, and so anyway, depending on the weather is what we do after here. So talk to you later. Tonight's dinner is chicken teriyaki. Day number 7, 325 miles. We're now in Canada, and we just ate. We're at this, can't remember the name of it now, campground. Man, totally spaced what the name of it is. It is called, oh, Rowan's Ravine Provincial Park Campground. There you go. There you have it. Rowan's Ravine. So anyway, nice little campsite. We're in the grass, and it just rained while we were trying to set our tent up, and got that all done. Got the tents up. Now we're got our supper ate, and I'm getting ready to wrap up the bike, head in the tent, get everything laid out for bed. I'll talk at you later. The wind is horrendous all day riding over here. We got our tent set up. It started raining a little bit when we got here. We got set up, and now the wind has picked back up. Luckily, we got our supper ate. Our freeze-dried food, I think Phil had ramen noodles. I had freeze-dried from Walmart. Got them all fixed, and it started raining, and then the wind set in, and it's supposed to be a low of 46 tonight. And the wind's like this, I'm gonna have a hard time staying warm. So anyway, this is day number 7. Today we rode 325 miles. See y'all later.